Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to activate and use power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open device care, and here you should pick battery. Just click on the battery icon. And if you would like to pick some power saving mode, just click on power mode. And you can choose either medium power saving mode, which will extend battery life by limiting some functions, or maximum power saving mode, which is perfect for some extreme situation, and then you will save as much battery as possible. So let's start with medium power saving mode. Click on apply to apply this mode. And that's it. As you can see, now you can use your device in medium power saving mode. And if you would like to activate maximum power saving mode, just click here. You have to be aware that this mode will switch off almost all apps and also will apply dark dim. But if you would like to activate it, just click on apply. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in low power solution, the extreme one. And if you would like to switch off this mode, you have to tap on more key, right here, and then select turn on maximum power saving mode. And that's it. As you can see, now maximum power saving mode has been turned off, and now you can use your device normally. Then if you would like to quickly activate power saving mode smoothly, slide down the upper bar, locate power mode icon, and just pick if you would like to activate maximum power saving mode by tapping on apply. So that would be all, so you can save power in your device in your Samsung Galaxy A30s. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.